presence in Moneague would have started from as far back as military in Jamaica. Moneague was a strategic location between Kingston, Spanish Town, and Ocho Rios, so it ended up being a stopover location for many of the troops as they were patrolling the area. During the Maroon Wars of the 18th century, Moneague was one of the 11 barracks that were established for the troops to stop over as they were encountering a lot of diseases and deaths due to the long patrol that they had to do on the interior of the island while they were facing the Maroons in guerrilla-type warfare, which was very foreign and new to them. So the uniforms they were wearing was not suited for the tropical climate, so it was very hard for them traveling, if you can imagine, from Kingston into Trelawney area. So they established barracks for close monitoring of the Maroon towns, and Moneague was one of those that was established. By the 19th century, the Moneague Hotel was established in preparation for the Great Exhibition of 1891 in Kingston, and that hotel actually housed several of the troops straight up to the 1940s when it changed ownership and again used as a formal hotel. In the 1940s, it was used during the World War II period by foreign regiments, some of which you can see along the wall of badges at Newcastle: the Winnipeg Grenadiers, the Argyll and Sutherland Highlanders, and the Brockville Rifles. Many of these regiments would have moved between Moneague and Kingston, where in Moneague they did training exercises.
Moneague continued to be a training ground for troops throughout the centuries. The Jamaica Defense Force came into being in 1962, and the Moneague Training Camp became the home of the 2nd Jamaica Regiment in 1979. And since 2009, it has been the JDF's Combat Support Battalion base.
The Jamaica Military Museum and Library is open to the general public, and we look forward to sharing our history with you.
Catch up on your history at the museum's Up Park Camp Kingston location, Wednesdays through Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.